Ni mucemanio uria uma thingiraini wa iregi guku Nairobi wa mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru wa Kenyatta na atongoria kuma mwena wa ithiro matongoretio ni Ken Lusaka uria riu niwe speaker wa bunge ya Senate. Atongoria kuma ithiro ria bururi maugite ni maranyita mbaru guthurwo kwa mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru wa Kenyatta hamwe na munini wake William Ruto githurano-ini gia gucokerwo kia president.
On behalf of the leaders from Western Kenya, I want to say thank you. As we go back, we go with something. I can only thank God. I never imagined in the wildest dreams that one day I will be a speaker.
From the history of this republic, I don't think we have ever had a chief whip of government or other majority party. Therefore, I want to also thank you for this appointment and for the confidence you have in me.
Nimaugite ni megutabania kambeni gutigirira mutongoria wa bururi ni yukia ugwatani wa kura nyingi gicigo-ini kiu. Gicigo giki ni kimwe kia kiria kironanitio unyiti mbaru munene wa thirikari ya Uhuru hindi ya kambeni ya githurano kinene. Undu uria mutongoria wa bururi augite ni kionania ati ni akahotana githurano-ini giukite.
To you I say welcome. Come join a party that is desirous of a united, progressive, prosperous and peaceful Kenya, where every single citizen feels a part and where no single person is left behind.
Where did they win the election? We beat them with MCAs, members of parliament, women rep, governor, senator. It can only be a miracle that they won in one of 6 elections.
Makiria huko Nairobi atongoria akuma ikambeini matongoretio ni uria urari mubunge wa muingi gatagati-ini we Joe Mutambo. Ona ni maugite ni mekunyita mbaru uthurwo kwa mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru wa Kenyatta.
Na tumerudia tukasema zile kura tulipata Ukambani 170. We are going to double or triple that.
Na vile tunasema saa hii tutaleta ushindi mkubwa kwa Uhuru Kenyatta, tena mkubwa zaidi.
Na muthia bunge kuma ruriri rwa Meru matongoretio ni seneta wa Meru niwe Mithika Linturi ni maugite ni manyitanite kumathira Uhuru wa Kenyatta kura na mwena wa mani agashinda githurano-ini giukite na makiria ma kura milioni 1.5.
Tuko tayari kama njana kurundi kiwanjani kufanya siasa, kupiga kampeni za kuhakikisha Mheshimiwa Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta na naibu wake William Ruto wamechaguliwa tena.
Mathaa manini thutha wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihakanio ya IEBC gukorwo ikirekereria tariki ya gucokerwa gwa githurano, riu urugari wa kiuteti ni uthiete na mbere kwambatira kuria kiama kia Jubilee kiugite githurano ni gigekwo mweri 17 nayo ngwataniro ya NASA igakinyiriria kuga githurano gitigatafanio tariki 17. Ngiripotera Kameme TV, nie Getwo Wambui, Wajihia.